One trend we've seen is established banks entering the cryptocurrency space through partnerships with fintech startups. Generally, banks have been reluctant to enter the cryptocurrency space because the industry was still navigating anti-money laundering, securities, and other regulatory issues, and some just felt that the market was too volatile. So fintech startups saw an opportunity to begin offering cryptocurrency services when the banks did not. But now we're seeing a clear trend of banks beginning to offer these cryptocurrency services through these tech startups like cryptocurrency investment, exchange, and custodial services to their existing customer base, but also, and perhaps more importantly, to a new customer base. In Switzerland, we've seen at least 5 established banks partner with fintech startups to begin offering these cryptocurrency services. We also have seen the trend of stock markets in countries like Switzerland, Germany, and Thailand. They're beginning to develop a new digital asset trading platform that's in addition to the traditional stock market. And so this is so that new types of assets can be traded in a new ecosystem and will impact and create new opportunities for existing stakeholders like brokers, clearinghouses, and custodians. And also, it will create new opportunities for new stakeholders to enter the market. This really is an exciting time for the industry.
Looking to assist consumers and businesses transfer money across jurisdictions through the conversion of currencies, and often these services are provided without the high arbitrage costs often associated with incumbents. Big name startups from the UK and Europe have been entering into the market in the region in recent times, and local startups have also rolled out very similar business models, hoping to take advantage of the fact that this is one of the areas in which consumers and businesses in this region is looking for further disruption into. The other area of continued interest, I would say, really would be in hyper-personalization of products and services to the consumers in this region who are young and increasingly demanding millennials. So I think in this area, incumbents are very well aware that they hold the advantage in this area. Traditionally, just because of their depth of relationship with existing customers that they have, and therefore the treasure trove of data on behavioral patterns and consumption patterns that they have on these consumers. And this has therefore translated particularly well for insurers, especially, who have been rolling out more diversified and more personalized products for millennials, and that has really been very widely accepted and actually applauded by consumers in this region.
This is the second year Taiwan has Fintech Festival in Taipei. And this year, the main thing includes open banking, red tech, virtual banks, and the Asia-Pacific fintech development. More than 30,000 people come to Taiwan to join this event, and also the pre- and post-event activities. Baker McKenzie lawyers from Malaysia, Taiwan, and Switzerland were invited as guest speakers of the Open Banking CXO forum, and also the soft landing for national startups in fintech space on 28th. And also we have a major event at the main stage of the Fintech Festival talking about the creative legal code and share our experience in the fintech areas. We also co-host a networking event at Fintech Space, Craft with Bakers, and met a lot of fintech space founders and also some FI's officers. We talk about our expertise and experience in handling the fintech areas and other matters.
Actually, Taiwan is a very unique country. We have a very good technical infrastructure. We have talented people with very reasonable salary. And the most important of all, we are open banking. So there is no issue of financial inclusion in Taiwan. We have Fisher's Bank, we have Farmers Bank. You can even save your money with the post office when you're posting a postcard. So the issue for Taiwan is, how can you bring the open banking competition into a more innovative market? If you are in several ASEAN countries, which they may have 2 or 3 giant financial institutions in the market. If these giants do not want to open API to third-party service provider, then you can do nothing about it. But in Taiwan, as long as the 37 local financial institutions, any of them open any good API to third-party service provider, there will be real open banking. And they want to open it because they want to increase their touch points with clients. So next step, what we're going to do is that we need to bring all these financial institutions to make substantial investment in fintech companies to raise a real unicorn or so-called rhino in Taiwan markets.